Up next we have a 2016 Harley-Davidson Sportster, model XL1200T, the super low. Lightweight, easy to handle, and the previous owner saved you some money with things like an engine guard, quick detach windshield, just release those two clamps and she pops right off, as well as lockable hard saddlebags. Super handy to have, carry some luggage, clothing, leave all your stuff on your bike all the time, so all you have to remember are the keys on the kitchen counter. Bike's in beautiful condition. A little over 13,000 miles. And ready to test ride any day of the week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.